Audi A8 once again. A very important day because the Audi A8 is soon to be going in for an MOT and hopefully it'll pass. There are a few things I'm going to do first to actually make sure it's going to pass. The biggest thing we need to do is actually make sure it's going to run every time the ignition is switched on, because the battery was literally dying really quickly, so I replaced the battery, but it has had a cover on it since, so it's been on for like a few weeks, so I'm hoping it's going to be alright. To also pick the fuel hose off the floor, which is under here. Under there it is. So let's open this up. Well, as you can see, it must have been quite wet outside because I cleaned this just the other week, and look at the mould on that. Oh damn. Now that is disgusting. That's like something out of the Big Bang Theory intro scene. That is minging. Wow. Oh, as is the seat that I'm sitting on. As you can see, there must be moisture getting in somewhere. Let's just put that one on there. Oh, it's sparking. That's a good sign. There's lights. That is good. Key in. Go straight on the throttle. There we go. All started up. No smoke, which is a really good sign. Cause like I say, it's not been started for like 3 weeks. I just put the battery in and hoped that it's going to work. I'll show you the leaking fuel, which is down there. There we go. That's coming down off the top end. Coming off the top end by the fuel tank, so that needs to be sorted out. But apart from that, it's good to go. It will need new tyres because they are going flat. Can't really see it on that one so much. There she is, roaring away. The 3.7 litre V8, which is perfect. See, they're all going a little flat, and the one at the back is the worst. There it is. Should be ready to go in the next couple of weeks. I'm really happy that it's finally running. Still needs the paintwork doing, and it also needs a few other little jobs doing, but we are definitely getting there. The exhaust system does need a cat on it. Obviously a bit of water there, you can see it dripping, but I imagine that's because it's been sat here and it's been raining. Tyres, I don't know what the brakes are actually like. I don't know if they're any good for the MOT, but we will soon know. Yeah, these have been painted black. I admit, not professionally, but done by myself. They are dirty, by the way. It's not just my paint. They are a lot better than they were because they're all flaky and they looked a bit like this. Right, what have we got in here? That is for the A8. Got some Mercedes alloys for sale. If anyone knows of anybody that wants them, really good nick, let me know. Parts, the carpet that go on the floor. Oh, this is from where the fuel filter was. I got both sides out because I was told that it was one side, and it actually turned out to be the other side that had the fuel filter. Oh yeah, we got a broken number plate. So I got a couple new ones coming. Oh, obviously, just your standard floor mats, a few other pieces. That's in the footwell. So yeah, so we're good to go, guys. We just literally need to get these last bits on. We got the original, I believe, 2001, so I believe it is original, the navigation CD, so the sat nav, which is pretty cool. I need to put that back on as well. I forgot to do that. So we're taking the engine trays off to do that again. Owner's manual, warranty, obviously that's not any use anymore. Used vehicle, quick ref, what else? Service. So it was serviced up to 93,000 miles back in 2010. I actually got in contact with the last guy. He messaged me because he saw my listing for some wheels, and he asked me if I had the A8, and he actually said that he serviced it himself up until 2017. Time to get all this crap out of the way. Look at that. Actually, it looks like a car. To get this front seat back in position, as you can see, it's come right off the rails because I moved that around to get to the carpets. So let's do that. So guys, guys, that is pretty much it. I just wanted to quickly show you around the A8 and actually show you that something is happening with it. Please do like, comment and subscribe, and wish me luck for this A8, because I'm hoping it's going to just go straight through the MOT with those few bits done, and then I shall drive it a little bit and then sell it on. That's about it. Cheers for that. Bye.